part of the agenda.
I just said there was fires started.
You're a part of the
There was
agenda.
a fire that almost burned my home down last night because it was. Hold on.
Has been raping
Please don't talk over my voice. Please don't talk over. There was a fire. There was a fire 2 doors down to my home. I have a 2- and 4-year-old child. They could not sleep. They were scared out of their mind last night. When we looked out the window, we saw hundreds of people breaking in stores, stealing shoes, stealing clothing, pushing each other. It was a horrible thing to see. It's the worst of humanity. It's not a good. It's not good humanity. So my question is this: I can only talk to one person at a time. You gotta, dude. You gotta stop.
This isn't even an argument.
You gotta stop. You gotta stop one person. Dude, you're gonna go away. If you don't like it, go away.
She got into an actual dialogue.
She got me into a dialogue. She's a peaceful, kind person. Let me talk to her. You're gonna go somewhere else, please. Listen. At the end of the day, we agree on the same things. We agree everyone should be treated equally. Everyone is of the same ilk. We all come from the same place. We're all going to end up at the same place. It's all about love and kindness. Racism is wrong. Police brutality is wrong. All of that is wrong. We agree, 100%.
Wait, do we agree on there are a certain demographic of people that are going to die prematurely?
Blacks, without a doubt.
Do we agree on that?
100%.
Okay, go ahead.
Many times over. 100%. Yes. We agree.
And is that okay with you?
Not at all, not even a little bit.
So when do they get to stand up? When do we get to stand up and say, I can't take it anymore? Get your knee off my neck. When do we get to say, get your motherfucking knee off my neck?
This moment.
It's
And
being
that's what's
said.
happening.
But I
Nobody's
don't
hearing
understand
it.
why stealing shoes is going to help that cause.
It's not.
But you're
That's what I
still
think.
saying this is just
But that's
black
what I
guys
think.
doing it.
I only know my reality.
But
My
what-
reality is
no,
what I.
but
Well, hold on. You didn't let me finish. I promise. I promise I'll stop and you can talk. I promise. We agree on everything is the same. What I don't understand is I watched thousands of people, not 10 or 20, thousands of people last night.
All black people too, right?
I did not say that. Don't put words in my mouth. You're
Earlier,
instigating.
I can roll the
You're
tape back. I
instigating.
can roll the tape back. You did say I saw black
On
people.
television, I saw all kinds of people.
But out your
On
window.
television,
No, you said out your window
I
you
could,
saw black people.
that's all I could see.
Okay.
That's all there was on our street
Okay,
and the
so I'm
street
just trying to
next
get the
door.
narrative.
Yes. So how do I teach my kids who know nothing about racism, nothing about, we're not from the United States. We're from Canada. We don't have a similar background in history. It's a very different thing. We don't
I
have.
completely understand. My best friend is from Canada.
Okay, so and I grew up in Jamaica, so I have a very different
And my husband's
background.
from Belize.
Okay, so we have a very different background. We agree on the same thing. But what I don't
And I've lived
understand,
all over the world.
what I don't understand is, and if you look back in history, I don't know when violence really. You've got a lot of angry people today on both sides. You've got neighborhood owners. Two of my very dear friends are African American who own African American owned businesses
You
in
know that is
Virginia
the most
and
racist
Philadelphia.
thing you
Let
can
me
say.
finish.
Don't
Let
do
me
that. Don't
let
do
me
that.
finish.
Why are you
saying.
yelling?
Don't say what's racist.
Why are you
No,
yelling?
it is
Calm
racist.
down.
White
Because you're
people say
talking over my
best
voice.
friends are
When you're
white.
talking over my voice. So listen,
I got
both of
black
them, their
friends
businesses were
arguing.
ransacked last
Oh,
night.
man.
Someone was stabbed at one of them. They're upset. They're upset. They're upset for different reasons than you're upset right now. They're upset for both things. They know that this is not the solution. This is not the solution. Protesting, walking the streets, that's a solution. Not supporting businesses that are racist, that's the solution. Speaking out, that's the solution. Electing elected officials who can help further your causes, that's the solution. There's a lot of ways to move things and progress things. Things are not where they should be. They should be better. They should have been better a long time ago. And I understand everyone's frustrated, but I do not believe that burning down buildings.
May I speak, teacher?
When I'm done. When burning down buildings and well, you said the same thing to me. That
You've
burning
been
down
down,
buildings,
you've
burning
been-
down buildings and stealing shoes and stealing sweatshirts. I don't understand how that is helpful. I think peaceful protests, march, electing officials, supporting businesses and not supporting ones that are racist.
Protests don't work.
That's it. That's what it is.
Just showing
Peaceful
people that they're fed
protests
up.
don't work.
People are fed up.
Okay, are you
But violence does not also help.
But listen,
This country was established.
but what I'm
Care
asking
about
you,
violence is not solution.
You have my unlimited support for nonviolent means. That's it.
you came from Canada, right? So you
How
know
you
the
think
history
I got
of
this
America.
country,
You know the
man?
history of America.
Was it gotten, was America achieved on violence or not?
America achieved on violence.
The building of America, was it achieved on violence or peace?
Your founding fathers
Violence is woven into the fabric of every country and
I'm
every
sorry?
society
I
in
didn't
the
hear
world.
you.
Violence is part of every single country and society in the world.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
you did. You're just trying to be dramatic. Come
No,
on.
I didn't hear
You want
you.
to have an open dialogue, listen, but don't be dramatic.
No,
Don't
no,
turn
I
around and
did
say,
not
look,
hear you.
everyone, look, don't do that.
I didn't hear you.
You did.
First of all, you said that you don't stand for violence.
I don't stand
You
for violence.
just said that you don't stand for
I
anything.
don't.
But you just sat there and aggressively got into that
Aggressively.
conversation.
If you want to be progressive, hold on.
Am I
If you want to have a,
lying
see, that's what I mean.
But hold
Look,
on.
look.
Because you keep telling me I wasn't.
I don't
and
think
it's not
violence
true.
is ever right, ever.
You're volatile. You're
I agree
hostile.
with you on every
Let her
single
do
thing.
her.
I just don't think things need to be burned down, and I don't believe in violence.
And
That's
then
it.
you don't get to instigate. You don't get to
I don't
intimidate
instigate.
people.
I asked
You
if they
don't get to
cleaning materials,
You
and they got mad at me, and they yelled at me and screamed at
I
me.
only
You're
stopped
yelling and
because
screaming
you were
at
trying to
women.
Intimidate them.
I went
You were yelling and screaming at women. That's what you were doing. You were yelling and
trying to
screaming
intimidate.
at women.
Listen,
And then men
love-
came
love-
to
love
their
you.
defense.
Love to
And
you.
then you forgot
You need
about
to
it.
relax. Love to you.
I'm not
Love
upset.
to you.
Don't point
Love
to me
you.
and tell me
If you really
anything.
stand
I hope
by what
everyone
you say,
finds their
If
happiness.
you really stand by what you say,
Yes.
please state your name.
No.
Of course you won't. Of course. They'll recognize you though. They'll recognize you though.
Good luck
Your
to
neighbors will
you.
recognize you.
If you stand
Your
by what
neighbors
you say,
recognize you.
you'd be
Just
willing
don't
to
be
say
violent.
your name.
Just don't be violent.
You're the volatile
Don't be
one.
violent.
You were aggressive.
You're
Don't be
volatile.
violent. No violence. That's all I'm
You
saying.
were violent.
Nope, we good.
You know what? I'm gonna stop. And I look at you.
We good?
You did a good job.
Point.
I missed it.
You missed it.
I missed it.
Hey, you can't be late to the revolution, baby.
Baby, I ain't ready for the revolution. My revolution started early this morning. I've been on the top of the